Good morning, class. Today, we're going to learn about an important phrasal verb in English, look forward to. This phrasal verb is used to express anticipation or excitement about something that is going to happen in the future. It's a useful expression for expressing positive expectations. Let's explore how to use it. First, let's look at some examples of look forward to in action. For instance, I look forward to meeting my friends this weekend, or she looks forward to going on vacation next month. Can anyone think of another example using look forward to?
I look forward to attending the concert next week.
Great example. Now, let's move on to the next part. When we use look forward to, we usually follow it with a gerund form of the verb. A gerund is a verb that functions as a noun and ends in ing. For example, I look forward to meeting or we look forward to traveling. Now, let's see how look forward to is used in a conversation. Pay attention to how it expresses anticipation or excitement about future events.
What are your plans for the summer break?
I'm going on a road trip with my family. I look forward to exploring new places and trying different foods.
That sounds amazing. I hope you have a fantastic trip.
In this conversation, person B uses look forward to express their excitement and anticipation about their upcoming road trip. It conveys their positive expectations for the experience. Now, let's move on to the next point. It's important to note that we use look forward to in the present tense when talking about future events. Even though the action hasn't happened yet, we express our anticipation in the present. For example, I look forward to the weekend or they look forward to the party. Now, let's practice using look forward to in different contexts. I'll give you a scenario, and I want you to complete the sentence using look forward to and a gerund. Are you ready?
Yes.
Great. Here's the scenario. You are invited to a friend's birthday party next week. Complete the sentence with look forward to and a gerund.
I look forward to celebrating with my friend and eating delicious cake.
Wonderful. That's an excellent response. Let's try another scenario. Imagine you have been planning a trip to the beach for months, and it's finally happening next month. Complete the sentence with look forward to and a gerund.
We look forward to relaxing on the beach and swimming in the ocean.
Perfect. You're doing great. One more scenario. You have been training hard for a dance performance, and the show is just a week away. Complete the sentence with look forward to and a gerund.
I look forward to showcasing my dance skills and entertaining the audience.
Fantastic. You're really getting the hang of it. That concludes our lesson on the phrasal verb look forward to. Remember to use it to express your positive expectations about future events. Practice using it in conversations and writing. Well done, everyone. See you in our next class.